All right, Boo, it is time to chat. And we need to chat about hashtags, specifically about stepping up your hashtag game, because we know hashtags work. That's not even a question or a doubt. They work, but if you're kind of questioning why you seem to be attracting other industry professionals or maybe your peers, and you're like, I'm not attracting potential customers, well, we need to have a chat.
So when people find your Instagram account, what do I want for your account? I want your account to surprise and delight them on a hashtag. And how do you surprise and delight somebody? You end up in a hashtag they didn't know that thing that you were selling is the exact same thing that they didn't know they needed. That is surprise and delight. How do we make this happen? Well, how we make this happen by resisting the temptation of being basic.
So my question to you is, are you using hashtags that your dream customer is looking for? But in order to understand that, you have to put yourself in their shoes. What are they looking for? How do they spend their free time? Where do they shop? What podcasts do they listen to? I want you to get a clear understanding of that. And I know it's super basic, but hashtags are search engines. Imagine that all these keywords are micro Googles in Instagram for people to find what you have to sell. But you have to understand that the content you create should be part of a greater social situation, so that when people are on hashtags and they're searching and they stumble across your account, they're like, oh, I was actually here looking for a podcast, but I didn't know that the product you create, the service you provide, is the thing that I need right now. Yesterday, I hosted an Instagram Live where a person asked me a question, and she had said, I am a mom coach and I seem to be attracting other mom coaches to my Instagram profile. Okay, so time out. Did you know there was such a thing as a mom coach? I didn't know. She's a mom that helps other moms streamline being a mom. So I asked her what hashtags she was using, and lo and behold, there's a really good chance that she was using hashtags with things that were related to mom coach. But that's assuming that somebody's going on Instagram searching for mom coach. My advice was to use hashtags that moms probably use and search on a daily basis. Random things like mom life or mommy and me. Or there's a particular hashtag that I thought was pretty interesting, and it'd be like mom life be like. And these are candid behind the scenes of moms and their kids. If they were to stumble across her mom coach Instagram account, all of a sudden they too, very much like me, would be like, wow, this is the person who can help me become a better mom. That is how you find prospective customers. That is how you get new followers. And that is how you precisely transition them from a casual looker to a follower to a customer, by inserting yourself in online hashtag conversations that are small, micro search engines on Instagram that revolutionize your business. Go there, be found by them, but first put yourself in their shoes and create content they want to see.